Sentry, Toyo or other big brand hardware you are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. Calling began at 7 a.m. for the Khasi and Jaintia. मेघालय में कड़ी सुरक्षा के बीच खासी और जैंतिया हिल्स स्वायत्त जिला परिषदों के लिए सुबह 7 बजे मतदान शुरू हो गया। 13 लाख से अधिक आदिवासी मतदाता 2281 मतदान केंद्रों पर KHADC में 158 उम्मीदवारों और JHADC में 114 उम्मीदवारों के भाग्य का फैसला करेंगे। मतगणना सोमवार को होगी। अधिकारियों ने बताया कि मेघालय के खासी और जैंतिया हिल्स स्वायत्त जिला परिषदों के लिए शुक्रवार को कड़ी सुरक्षा के बीच मतदान जारी है। उन्होंने बताया कि खासी हिल्स स्वायत्त जिला परिषद KHADC के 29 निर्वाचन क्षेत्रों और जैंतिया हिल्स स्वायत्त जिला परिषद JHADC के 29 निर्वाचन क्षेत्रों के लिए सुबह 7 बजे मतदान शुरू हुआ।
We have lots of development, like we want, like, because from the drugs and all, because nowadays drugs also is very serious. Yeah, so definitely, like, for that, to erase that, that means we want that the games to be there, like the indoor stadium, no? So that children or kids, whoever it is, they will be entertained in that, in the sports like that. And I want, yeah. I'm Cecilia Kaba.
The expectation is that we want development in the locality, just here in Joshua. We don't have any playground and all for the small children. Like we don't have any like grounds like they want to play, like if they come out from the house and the road, they have to play, no playground, no nothing. So there should be some development at the other constituency of got some development. So we need that development in our constituency also.
So in present MDC, so you are not satisfied to this?
No, we can't see any development with the MDC, like PNC. So we want the changes now. Who can make the development for this constituency?
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Jubalang Kharbikhiu. I am the HSPDP candidate from the 18 Maukhar Penthoram constituency. At the moment I have come for the visit to all the polling station. So right now I am here at basic school Penthoram Kra Golfling to visit the polling station. And as you all know that my principles in this journey of the MDC election is to bring forth the culture, to bring forth the concept of our tribals communities, the Khasi, Jaintias, so that we can uphold to what the forefathers has hoped upon our community from long time immemorial. And we are very grateful to the Constitution of India for giving us the provision through the 6th schedule, so that we can retain that identity of the tribals, of the special tribals in the Northeast India, including the Khasi Jaintia in the Meghalaya state. Thank you very much.
A little bit slow, maybe average, I would say that. Let's hope it picks up in the second half of the day, and let's hope people participate in this democracy. If people don't come for election, then it is a murder of democracy. So let's hope people come up and vote for the candidate that they maybe have hope on.
How is your prospect considering the multiple candidates?
Well, always a good prospect, but at the end of the day, in democracy, it is government of the people, by the people, for the people. So it is by the people now. So let's hope we have a candidate who wins is of the people and for the people after the election.
Going on?
See, first of all, thank God. This day is the most important day for us. So when I move around, I've seen that low turnout till this time. So this time also I've seen everywhere that the polling station the turnout is very low.
So what does it indicate?
See, I don't know. Let's see till the end of the polling because now it's still going on. So we hope that everything will go fine.
So how do you feel about your performance and are you positive?
See, we have worked very hard from the day one. See, we have go to do right from 2023, 2024 till 2025. We have a campaign where request the people to vote because this is the second time for the NDC election. The 2019 I just was second. So now I hope that people they know me very well and the issue which I have taken out. So I hope that this time I'll come up in a flying color.
So who is your main rival?
Till now we have 4 candidates in this 19th GR constituency. So we have to we don't know who's the rival, but we'll work hard and we have to work right from the 8th to 1 we have to work out. So we hope that we don't take the opponent like this. So we have to work our own that will win this election.